Hi there! In this video, I will guide you to the process of creating a second Instagram account using the same email address. So first things first, open your Instagram app and locate those three lines at the top right corner, give them a tap, and then choose Settings from the menu. Now once you're in the Settings section, just scroll down a bit until you spot and tap on Add Account. Once you've reached this point, Instagram will pop the questions if you want to log in into an existing account or create a new one. So here's where you go for the create a new account option. From there, it's easy as pie, just go ahead and fill in all the details Instagram is asking for your new account. This is like giving your account a personal touch. And that's it! What's awesome is that you can effortlessly switch between multiple accounts without the bother of logging in and out every time. This is a convenient feature making it super easy to manage different profiles without added fuss. Now, if you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.